Hello guys, how are you? So, as you guys know, this is the basic setup that I have, and uh, those who are in my group, they have the access to this indicator, and this is how I got the got the got the bottom. Now, uh, the people who are in my group, they already have the access to EIP, VIP2, but this is a new indicator, EIP time factor that I'm talking about. And here in this group, in this video, I will show you how time factor has solved a lot of not a lot of a critical problem which was in this EIP VIP2, and now we because we are equipped with the time factor, now nothing can stop us from making money in the market as long as we are following the rules and we are taking account of the time factor. And in this video I will show you exactly how we were able to nail the bottom, and I will do bar replay. So the time factor indicator is nothing but this table at the this is this table. This table you need to just keep an eye on this table because it is calculating time factor, and rest of the setup is the same. This is the bias, the big moving average. When it is above, we are bearish, and also for entries we will use a black this black MA on top to enter short. Okay, now from here, I will demonstrate how I was able to nail the bottom on Sunday using the time factor indicator. But I have been using this indicator since September 2024, and I have backtested this a lot, and it is one of my favorite indicator. It is truly a great game changer. And when I have this with me, I know that if the price is going up, time factor is negative, then I know this is a success rally and I do not long it, and vice versa. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start doing, moving the bars. So on Sunday, the market gap down. Now the time factor is positive, right? So I'm looking for longs, and now this thing is, also positive. So we could have longed over here, and this cycle was turning positive. This was the black MA. So this was very good long. I was able to long over here because of my experience. Like I was able to long over here, but still this is a good entry as per the rule on the black MA. The cycles are positive, time factor is positive. Now we suddenly got this big up move, right? Remember, right? So we would again we could have entered over here on this long on the touch of black MA when we saw that it is not going down, and now the time factor is negative. So we will be careful that we could have taken profit of this, and now let's see what will happen. Now the time factor is negative and the price is going down. The cycles are also negative. So it was a good decision to take profit. So overall we because I showed you the members in my group that we were looking for turnaround on this trade. So we were looking for longs, and when this happened, if you remember when this decline was happening, I went into the 15 minutes time frame and longed this. And here I will show you how it will also appear. Like just watch time factor this thing, how I was able to nail the bottom. This time factor is positive, right? So I was using my experience. I knew that time factor will be positive soon, and then it turned positive. I was long from the bottom and the price went up. But okay, the price went up and then it came down to retest the black MA, and then now the cycles are turning positive also. So you would have remained long. Majority of the people were shorting because Trump was going to come with some tariff, but this happened. So there was no surprise that this happened. And then Overnight, suddenly I woke up, I saw that time factor was negative, and when it touched the black MA, I went short. I posted in the group and remained short, and now the cycles were also turning negative. And so over here, I posted the setup that this could be a good knife catch long, and there would be another long setup. I will show you how. This 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 the cycle time factor was positive. I knew a retracement to the S1 daily S this pin bar the retracement to the daily S1 at that this was a log again. But cycle was negative, but we could have longed on the daily S1 and then this went up. Now the cycle was positive also. So this was a good long. So time factor is now negative, so you would take profit, right? Because you don't want to give it back. And now the suddenly a decline came. So this is how you would trade the market. Now again, the price is going up with the time factor is negative, size are also negative. So it's sort of a sucker's rally. Do not expect much because it will go up and then it will do something like that and then go up. So the cycle will come here and the time factor will become positive, right? Now you will say that what is new in this, because this EIP VIP2 is already solving this thing. Now I will tell you what is new in this, and I will also show you that what problem it has solved. And I will demonstrate over here that there was an issue with this indicator that the cycles when it becomes positive on EIP VIP2 the price still goes down to break the low. Here I will show you one moment. So I'm gonna do a bar replay. This is the problem that this has solved, and it is a good problem to solve. So you could have longed over here on the black MA, but then the time factor was turning negative, so you would be out, right? You would not long black MA again because the time factor is negative, even though the cycles are positive. So you would be out again. So this is a problem that this time factor thing is solving. Now, right now, it broke the low. Now it is going above the black MA. Everything is positive. So you could have longed above the black MA and done well for yourself. And now the cycles are also positive. Time factor is positive, and then we got this big up move. You understand? So this problem that was there at EIP VIP2, we solved it. So as long as you're following the rules, nothing bad can happen. So those who are in my group, you guys can, send a message to me to get access to this indicator. And this is it. As long as you're following the rules, you're not trying to knife catch against the cycle and time factor, then everything will be good.